Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today we're mixing two of the world's favorite cuisines, Italian and Indian. Get ready for the most incredible Indian-style chicken pasta you've ever tasted. Let's get cooking. First up, let's prep our chicken. Take 200 grams of boneless chicken breast and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Now for the marinade, the heart of our Indian flavor. In a bowl, add the chicken, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste salt to your taste. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of that magical garam masala powder. Give it all a really good mix, making sure every piece of chicken is beautifully coated. Set this aside and let those amazing spices work their magic. While the chicken is marinating, let's get our pasta ready. Bring a large pot of water to a boil, add a pinch of salt and 2 teaspoons of oil. This little trick stops the pasta from sticking together. Now, add 200 grams of your favorite pasta. I'm using penny today, but any kind works. Cook it according to the package directions until it's al dente. Once it's done, drain it and set it aside. Don't rinse it. We want that starchy goodness to help our sauce cling later. Alright, it's time to build that rich, flavorful sauce. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Once it's hot, toss in 1 medium-sized, finely chopped onion, sauté until it turns a lovely golden brown. Next, add 2 medium-sized diced tomatoes and 2 chopped green chilies for a little kick. Cook them down until the tomatoes are soft and mushy. Now, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for another minute until that beautiful aroma fills your kitchen. It's time for our star ingredient. Add the marinated chicken to the pan, stir it around and cook until the chicken is no longer pink and is cooked through. You'll see the spices release their oils and the color will be absolutely gorgeous. To bring it all together, stir in 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. This adds a lovely sweetness and tang that balances the spices perfectly. We're in the final stretch. Add your cooked pasta to the pan with the chicken and sauce. Gently toss everything together, making sure each piece of pasta is coated in that delicious spicy sauce. Let it simmer for just a minute or 2, so all the flavors can meld together beautifully. And there you have it. Your amazing Indian chicken pasta is ready to serve. Plate it up nice and hot. Garnish with a generous sprinkle of oregano for that classic pasta feel and some fresh chopped coriander leaves for a burst of Indian freshness. Look at that. It's vibrant, it's aromatic, and it tastes absolutely divine. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes. Let me know in the comments how yours turned out. See you in the next